Portable Wi-Fi hotspots have become essential for travelers, remote workers, and households that need reliable, contract-free internet access without tying up home broadband or paying per-data SIM rates. This comparison tests 5 devices across price, carrier support, and feature sets to help buyers match their needs to the right product. Product number 1. M5 Mobile Hotspot. The M5 is a prepaid eSIM-enabled hotspot that ships with 1 GB of data per month and supports travel in 160+ countries. It emphasizes portability and SIM-free usage, with a compact 3000 mAh battery and a claimed 6 hours of runtime. It targets users who want a no-contract, pay-as-you-go travel companion and can leverage the device's intelligent network switching among major carriers for best available 4G signals. The device supports up to 10 connected devices and uses dual-band Wi-Fi with a basic LED indicator for status. Performance-wise, the M5 prioritizes simplicity and broad country coverage over raw speed. Its reliance on 4G with 160+ country support makes it suitable for light to moderate data needs while traveling, especially for maps, emails, and light video calls. However, the 1 GB monthly allotment is a hard cap. If you consistently stream or work offline heavy, you'll reach the cap quickly. The absence of Wi-Fi 6 or 5G means today's power users may feel throttled or constrained in crowded networks. Battery life is adequate for half-day outings, but heavy usage or cloud syncing will require a top-up. The caveat noted in the description, possible failure to register if local signal is very weak, adds a real risk for remote routes. Product number 2. UFO Mobile Hotspot with 1 GB of data. TalkSim's UFO is a US-only no-SIM hotspot that auto-switches across at&t, T-Mobile, and Verizon networks, delivering 1 GB of high-speed data with Wi-Fi 6 and supporting up to 10 devices. It's ultra-portable, designed for quick, on-the-go connectivity without the overhead of SIM cards, and marketed as a practical solution for emergencies, travel, or short trips within the United States. The device's single-band 802.11b support is a curious constraint, but effectively keeps costs and power use low, while the included 1 GB data is pitched as a quick start allowance. In practice, the UFO excels at providing immediate, plug-and-play access in the US, with intelligent carrier switching to maintain connection quality. The Wi-Fi 6 capability helps with simultaneous device usage, though the single-band radio and older 802.11b baseline could limit performance in dense environments, or with newer devices relying on higher throughput. The form factor and lightweight build make it highly portable, but the 1 GB data cap means this is best used as a temporary backup or travel planning tool rather than a primary home internet replacement. Battery life and charge cadence aren't detailed, which leaves questions about day-long use without power. Product number 3. TP-Link Ultra Portable Wi-Fi 6 AX1500 Travel Router TLWR1502X. Easy public Wi-Fi sharing. The TP-Link TLWR1502X is a dual-band travel router designed for hotel, RV, and offline public Wi-Fi scenarios rather than a dedicated MiFi device. It supports multiple modes: router, access point, range extender, hotspot, client, 3G, 4G modem mode, and USB tethering and file sharing via USB storage, plus power bank compatibility via PD/QC. It is not a dedicated mobile hotspot and requires a USB modem or existing public networks for internet access. Its compact shell and tether app management make it a practical travel router with broad compatibility for local networks. Performance-wise, the TLWR1502X is best when you already have an internet source, hotel Wi-Fi, public hotspots, USB 4G modem. The device's strength lies in versatility, multiple modes, USB file sharing, and a potential to turn a weak public network into a more secure private network with captive portal authentication automation. The main limitations for this guide are its disclaimer. It does not support OpenWRT and is not a standalone MiFi device. Real-world throughput hinges on the upstream network you connect to, and the device relies on external modems for 4G access. For travelers who want a compact, configurable router rather than a traditional hotspot, the TLWR1502X shines. Number 4. Simo Solis Hero 4G LTE Hotspot. The Simo Solis Hero is a 4G LTE hotspot with a built-in power bank and a robust global coverage footprint, 140+ countries, via a multi-carrier network. It includes lifetime data, 1 GB per month forever, and 10 GB global data, aiming to combine travel portability with a predictable data plan and a portable battery. The device supports up to 10 devices and leverages signal scan technology to automatically connect to the strongest network. It's a strong option for travelers who want an all-in-one hotspot plus charging capability. In practice, the Solis Hero delivers solid general-purpose mobile internet with the convenience of a battery pack. The 4G LTE backbone is reliable for everyday tasks, but not designed for extreme bandwidth needs like 4K streaming on multiple devices. The Explorer bundle's data structure, lifetime 1 GB per month and 10 GB global data, is appealing for travelers who split data use between local and global coverage. Product number 5. Solis Pro Mobile 5G Hotspot. The Solis Pro is the premium Simo option, a 5G hotspot with Wi-Fi 6E and an 8000 mAh power bank. It bundles lifetime data, 12 GB per year, plus 10 GB global data, and adds multi-carrier connectivity across 140+ countries with a user-friendly app. The Pro's dual-band and 6E capability targets power users who want top-tier speeds, broader global reach, and a larger battery in a single device. It's the top-tier, no-contract portable internet solution in this lineup. In real-world use, the Solis Pro delivers advanced connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E, enabling higher throughput and lower latency for modern devices in dense environments. The combination of 5G support, extended global coverage, and a high-capacity 8000 mAh battery makes it well-suited for business travelers, digital nomads, or families with demanding streaming needs. The Solis Pro's Explorer bundle, 12 GB per year lifetime data and 10 GB global, provides a long-term data buffer, but as with all Simo devices, actual performance hinges on local network quality and international roaming policies. The larger form factor and weight may be a trade-off for frequent travelers seeking ultimate performance and battery life.